Hello, welcome back to a new video. Today we'll be learning how to build a brand new PC for under $500 using all new parts from Amazon. First up, we will use the iXURIX RX 580. Sadly, there isn't very much that will beat this car at under $100 unless you're willing to buy used. And if you're, I would recommend getting the GTX 1660 Super or the RTX 2060, but the RX 580 will cost you about $100 and can play most games at around 1080p medium to high settings. Next up for the motherboard, we will be using the Gigabyte B550K, which supports DDR4 RAM and AM4 CPUs and has dual SSD storage slots, although it does not have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth capabilities on its own. For those Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, you will need a Wi-Fi card. Personally, I wowould recommend a TP-Link PCIe Wi-Fi card, but you can also use the USB dongles, but I would prefer this, and this would cost you about $30. Next up is the Ryzen 5 5500 CPU, because it has 6 cores and is a great budget CPU overall, and I recommend it, because it also only costs $73. Now for the power supply, I would recommend the Thermaltake 500 watt PSU, because it only costs $40 and is considered to be one of the best budget power supplies out there. And for the SSD, I would recommend the Crucial P3 500GB SSD, because it is relatively fast and costs about $50. Now last but not least, the RAM. I would go with the Team Group T-Force Vulcan 16GB 3200 MHz RAM modules because it is still fast and is budget friendly while also having a heat sink built in. And there you have it, folks. This was how to build a PC for under $500 in total. The build cost about $478 for the parts, and you should also get around 60 frames per second in most games at 1080p medium to high settings. Thanks for watching, and if this video gets 100k likes, I will build this PC myself.